Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. 8th class children. See, we have started the lesson metals, non-metals. I have given you introduction, metals and non-metals. See, in daily life, we will come across metals in daily examples like hammer, etc. Now, see, how do we identify the given material is a metal or non-metal? Number one, see, all metals are hard. Hard, matlab, see, by appearance. First one is by look. This is point number A. Okay. Now by look, let us say, see, you take a metal and try to scratch on it. Let us say this is metal. See, you try to scratch मतलब ठीक करो इस पे. If there is indent on it, indent मतलब जरा mark निशानी गिरा तो it is soft. Otherwise it is hard. So depending on the material, it is either soft or hard, depending on the material. But most of the metals are, number one, hard by appearance. Okay, this is clear. So most of the non-metals are soft. Metals are hard, non-metals are soft. Like इसमें metals are hard. Iron देखिए, this is hard. इस पे खी करो कुछ भी निशानी नहीं गिरेगी. वेरा सॉफ्ट मेटल ले लो, लेड या कुछ और दूसरा जिसमें लेट अस से आयरन, गोल्ड, आप मम्मी हाथ में लेते ही शी विल टेक ऑफ बिकॉज इट इज सॉफ्ट. मतलब कुछ भी हो जाएगा, टूट जाएगा, लूज हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इट इज लिटिल सॉफ्ट कंपेयर टू आयरन. सो दिस इज इट. सो बाय अपीयरेंस हार्ड आर सॉफ्ट, वेराज नॉन मेटल्स आर ऑलवेज नॉट हार्ड. Okay, now sonorous. Now see, take a potassium or sodium metal. You can cut them with knife. Whereas you take out this metal which is made up of iron. Can you cut it with knife? No, you cannot. So this is done by appearance. Now see, this is a metal which is made up of iron. See, I am dropping it. One more metal made up of iron. Hathodi. Or hitting with let us say iron ko. You are able to listen it. So that is ability of materials to produce sound. Sound producing. It is called as metal. It is metal. So metals have this property. Ability sonorous matlab sound producing properties with metals. Whereas non-metals do not produce any sound. Like इसमें metals में bells में bronze, iron. Though this is an alloy. So these are some metals. Okay. Now let us come to sonorous power. Sonorous is sound producing. You drop a non-metal, देखो खाली होने से डब्बा दिया, ऊपर से ज्यादा ऊपर. Now whereas if you throw this, it will make a clankering, हद से ज्यादा sound. So which is ringing in the ears. Sound, the two sonorous ringing in the ears. So that is the difference between metal and non-metal. Okay. Now let us come to malleability. Malleability is the property of the metal where it can be flattened into thin sheets. जैसा hammer लेके you would have seen, or you would have taken a thin wire, मारने से क्या होगा? It will become into a flat sheet. जैसा ऊपर tin के ऊपर, नहीं तो window pane you will make, or any of the items. So this is material making into thin sheets. That is flattening with the help of a hammer into thin sheets is called as like aluminium, iron. So these are some of them which are almaras के लिए, हाँ. So और windows के लिए aluminium use करते. So this property is used now in this. और अभी तो मैंने बताया जो है chocolate box के लिए ऊपर it is made into thin sheet. So this is it. So now let us come to ductility, ability of material to draw them. So whereas non-metals are not sonorous. जैसा non-metal डालो, this is wax or any other chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine or any other non-metal drop, they are not sonorous. Okay. Now likewise, malleability non-metal, they cannot be drawn into, they are powdery. Non-metals are powdery and जैसा हाथ लगाते ही सॉफ्ट रहा तो इफ यू टच देम हार्ड वन, सॉफ्ट रहा तो दे विल बिकम पाउडरी, दे हार्ड रहा तो दे विल बी ऐसी घट रहेंगे. ओके. नाउ मैल्युबिलिटी में यू ट्राई टू फ्लैटन इट, पीसेस ऐसा पाउडर की तरह हो जाएगी. सो दैट इज मैल्युबिलिटी. नाउ डक्टिलिटी, सी एबिलिटी ऑफ द मटेरियल टू ड्रा इटसेल्फ इनटू थिन वायर्स. ये देखो बाइंडिंग वायर, कंस्ट्रक्शन की बाइंडिंग वायर, लाइक ही विल after doing salah, then afterwards one more wire which is there is TV की कंप्यूटर का केबल वायर. ऊपर केसिंग प्लास्टिक का है, to protect against weather, etc. Then inside there is small wire, likewise copper wire. Then cable wire from house, which is इसमें दो wires है, हाँ. So inside this is a casing which is to give protection for it and signal के लिए. So this is it. So this is ductility. So ability to draw, that is क्या करते हैं, they'll take metal, he will try to pull it into thin wires, pull it into draw, pull it a draw. It will be growing in a long process. ऐसा metal ले लेके it will be made into this, then this, and finally into wire, and it will be rolled. So this is it. जैसा you would have seen लोहे को जो है पिघला के, he will see what he will make, hit it with a hammer and make up this size. So tool making also. So this is ability to draw. Now electrical conductivity. See, this is a battery. So when it conducts electricity and you take a pin and keep it here, this is iodized, ये galvanized नहीं है. So normal ordinary pin, keep it, connect it to a battery and connect to a circuit, you will find that the bulb glows. So all metals are electrical conductors. All non-metals are not ductile. All non-metals are not malleable. Exceptional cases छोड़ के all non-metals do not conduct electricity. इसमें carbon is one non-metal which is exceptional and it conducts electricity. इसमें जो है appearance में all non-metals are hard, all metals are hard, but there is one non-metal, mercury, Hg, which is soft. Likewise दूसरे बाकी के gold I have shown to you, huh? This one. And one more property, lustrous, ABCDE, LUSTROUS. See, though this is not a non-metal, it is shining, mirror. उसी तरह देखो ये shine हो रहा, ये metal देखो, this is iron, it is not shining. देखो, it is coated one, this is also metal, it is shining. So metals have that property. Non-metals में shining ability नहीं है, shining ability नहीं है. So like this. So now electrical conductivity, if it conducts, it glows. So there is, so carbon is one non-metal. Here lead also जरा की करे तो scratch होता. So compared to that, little softer. So some of them are soft, some of them are hard, not very hard. So now electrical conductivity, carbon non-metal. So all non-metals do not. Exceptional case में carbon. Now all non-metals are gases at room temperature, whereas mercury क्या बोलते हैं, bromine is liquid at room temperature. All non-metals are solid at room. All metals are solid at room temperature, whereas mercury, Hg जो देखते हैं ना thermometer में जो रहता, so it is liquid at room temperature. That is why they use in thermometer. Apart from that, just got coefficient of linear expansion. This expansion ज्यादा होता. Now thermal conductivity. See, take a glass, take a wax, इस तरह keep it on a stand, and just now I shown to you pins. इस तरह attach the pins and attach it to a stand. Plastic ने iron का stand को इस तरह. So you attach it to a stand and fix these pins like this. Now you in between keep some flame. You will find that after some time that, see, as the metal, this part of the metal which is heating it, so it heats up. So this metal, when it heats up, you will find that the pin at this gets heated up slowly. Metal में heat pass हो रहा. So first these slowly, these also will keep on falling. As time goes on, the metals which are far off also will start falling. So that means metals are good conductors of electricity. So and thermal conductivity, heat. Thermal मतलब heat. Metals are good conductors. Now lustrous, now shining. देखो, some metals, most of the metals are shining. ये तो this property is only for shining. Appearance जो है lustrous. Lustrous is property of shining surface. Most of the metals are shining. So this is one mining metal. So how many properties today I learned now metals case. So but all non-metals do not exhibit all of these properties. Exceptional cases छोड़ के बाकी के lustrous, which I have told you just now. Lustrous में see lustrous, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, ductility, malleability, sonorous, hard, soft, dense. Then density is mass by volume. So today we have learned this. Homework if possible I will give you. Then afterwards, density is mass by volume. All metals are dense. Okay. Now all non-metals are very porous, dense nahi hai. Okay, so this is it. So E1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 properties you have learned where you can differentiate metals, non-metals by physical appearance. This is only by physical appearance. But chemical properties are also better indicators. The rest of the things we will see. You also perform some experiments, some activities at home, and also see because of this, because non-metal is not a good conductor of heat. This one, though it is made up of aluminium, etc. So now it is used. Whereas if you touch this, it will be very hot. Now see, जो sweet when you eat the sweets, silver foil पैकिंग के लिए और aluminium foil. This is aluminium और सिल्वर का तगट स्वीट के ऊपर लगाते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो ए मेटल मेड इनटू थिन शीट मैल्यूबल. सो देखो ये मैल्यूबल थिन शीट मेटालिक है. सो इस तरह वेजल्स के हर चीज जो है मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल्स के ये एडवांटेजेस. ना देखो दिस इज metal, it is drawn into wire, but see this is a non-metal because it is a good conductor of heat. He is keeping a handle for better grip. He has put some holes. So these are the things which you need to understand. This is a metal for pipe. Okay, so and this is coated for not to rust. इस तरह higher superior metal iron के ऊपर. So these are the things. Thank you children. And also see देखो wrench, pipe wrench. So this is metal paint, so coated not to rust. So thank you children. I'll post your homework. And also a puja ka item which is made up of copper. इसमें जो है candles को you will use, and sometimes non-Muslims use it for agarbatti etc. daily, and you will clean. So these are some copper brands, brass etc. Okay, thank you children.